Hello guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Riddle Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. Yeah, we noticed that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup. You're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on the Settings icon. Right here, you're going to click on API Keys. Click on Create New API Key. You're going to enter your API key name. Once you're done, click on Create. There we go, our API key has been created. So we're simply going to click and copy our API key, head over back to our account, and paste our API key here. Click on Complete Setup. There we go, our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the Support Center. At the level of Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the Changelog right here. Under the Changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you install and set up Riddle app with ease. If you encounter any issues, our support team is available 24/7. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.